Hi guys, Timothy in the kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a buttery parmesan chicken. It serves 6, and what goes good with parmesan chicken that I'm going to be making is cut fresh carrots and asparagus. I have it going on the stovetop back there. It's on simmer. It's been just simmering for about 5 minutes or so. This recipe is really easy to make, and it only requires 5 small ingredients. And it's good for small little gathering, such as a lunch or a dinner. So let's get going on the ingredients, and let's get going on putting it in our stomachs today. What do you think? So today I have the mozzarella cheese, which is going to be for the topping for the chicken when I bring it out of the oven. And you want to make sure you got the oven preheated at 325, I'm sorry, for 15 to 20 minutes. Then we got Parmesan cheese, we got breadcrumbs, we got mustard. I have a whole grain garlic mustard, but you can use regular Dijon mustard if you like, and 6 whole breast, boneless, skinless, cage-free chicken. I also have butter going, which I have that melted. Once you get it melted, you want to add it into this bowl right here, along with the Parmesan and the breadcrumbs. And we will do that right now. First the Parmesan and the breadcrumbs. Just give it a little mix, just until it's combined. And then we're going to add in the butter into this. What this is going to do is this is going to be the base coating of your chicken to make it look a little more, how would I say, fancy. There we go. Now we're going to add in our butter, like so. You don't want to cook the butter too long either. It's just something to stick to. That's all the butter is for. There, that looks good. Now next, we're going to use our wonderful brush, and we're going to brush on the chicken breast. Top, front and top. Like this. You don't have to be shy about it. That look amazing now? Yummy. So now we're going to dip this in our bread crumb mixture, like so. There. Here's our baking sheet we're going to use here. Just add one on one. And these are already pre-sprayed. If you want to spray your cooking sheet, this one is already non-stick, but it doesn't hurt to put a little more on there. Now that we have the chicken on the cookie sheet, we're going to put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Anytime you have poultry, you want to make very sure that it's at least 165 with a thermometer. And these are going to be really exciting to eat. Well, it took longer than I expected. It took 25 minutes I checked it a few times with the electronic thermometer. It was at 194 last time I checked it. But you can have it at 165. It is really juicy and tender. I added the mozzarella cheese on the end for, I don't know, I like cheese. And the vegetables came out wonderful too. Let's have a grab at this. Wow, is that nice? Juicy. Oh wow. I have to say, I love chicken no matter what it is. Thank you very much for joining me today on our quest of this Parmesan buttery boneless chicken breast. And I hope you and your family try this out at your kitchen and let me know how it turned out, either by comments or by email, as we conquer the world of cooking together in our own kitchens. So have a great day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye!